How's it going, everybody? Happy Monday. Back with another video, just as I promised. Now, we got something really cool coming up. We're gonna hit a major snowstorm tomorrow. It's gonna hit us. It's about 40 to 50 centimeters of snow. That's well over 1.5 feet of snow that's gonna hit us. Almost 2 feet of fresh powder for plowing content. Super excited about this. Now, in order to prepare for this snowstorm, we're actually gonna head over to our storage and remove some snow today with the Komatsu 450 loader. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. But I think that's all. Enough of me talking. Let's get into this video. Take our 2013 Western Star, this truck here. I'm gonna try not to use my hands as much in today's video. The last video my hand was in frame for about 95% of the video, so we'll leave that out. But we're gonna get in the truck, well, I'm gonna get in the truck, and we're gonna be hauling some of this snow away today. So I'll show you some of that, and yeah, let's get on the road. Just filling out my circle check sheet here, and then we'll be on our way. All right, as you can see here, we got Al. He's gonna be loading up the back of the truck here with the 450 loader. I'm all loaded up here, and I'm gonna go dump this. It is a really nice smooth transmission in this truck. I really enjoy driving it. It's a really well displayed truck. You got all your buttons and controls in here. The dash is very nice. Engine brake. Downshifting's fun, especially with the engine brake. It slows you down just enough. Since we are hauling snow, I don't really have to start off in first gear low. I can kind of skip right ahead to third. For your actual AZ license, they do want you to double clutch. Now I did learn how to double clutch, obviously, I got my license. But I think everyone kind of has a different driving style. I know that some guys, they might watch this and go, holy God, you're not double clutching. That's terrible for the transmission. And yes, good thing is I'm not our everyday truck driver, so I'm not in it all the time. So I guess it's just getting hurt when I'm in it. We got a different camera angle now. Now you guys get to stare at my beautiful face. Yeah, so Al, he's in the loader right now. So that little clip of the loader, that's who was running that. He's pretty good in the loader. We all kind of take turns. It's a bigger machine, but we all kind of normally take turns doing stuff, especially in the winter time. There's not a big push on for stuff right now, so kind of keep it interesting, switch things up for everybody. So I've had my license for about a year and a half, and I've always enjoyed trucking and driving the trucks. Unfortunately, that's not my full-time role here. Now I know everyone kind of wants a video on the history of the company, kind of what we're all about, who's in charge, who runs stuff, how do we make stuff work, and that's all coming in a separate video that I'm filming in the office right now. It's kind of a more, I don't know, not like a documentary, not a narrative, but it's just kind of, I'm taking more time on it because it is really important to me. I mean, it's not a secret or anything like that. I'm just trying to make it the best of my ability to explain our situation and the company's situation and just how things are operated around here. It's supposed to be a big storm. They're saying about 50 centimeters, which is almost 2 feet of snow. Which is a lot for our area. Maybe in some areas it's not. but it's a lot for us. And we definitely had to make some room so that we can fit all this snow, because then I think later on in the week it's supposed to snow 5 and then 10 centimeters. So it was just due time to get some snow removed, make some more area for ourselves to put some of this beautiful, beautiful white stuff. Normally, whenever the news or whoever kind of hypes these storms up, it always ends up kind of being not what they're saying. You know, it's a big joke always, you know, the best job in the world is to be a meteorologist because you never have to be right. Obviously I know that that's not true, but sometimes it's like they call for this and we end up with this, or they call for this and we end up with this. And but yeah, I mean, we just roll with the punches. Welcome to Canada is all I would say. Well, we got all the snow removed from this spot here, and now the vehicles can come in and park and everything's good there. This pile here actually used to come all the way out to about here, and there's a huge gap in between that pile and that pile now that we'll be able to push into there. This center pile here we fixed up, it should be good to go, and there's Al there. Yeah, he drove right between the spot and the piles. I'll go over and show you. So yeah, there's this spot now here. So we're just gonna remove that last little pile with the dump truck, and then we're pretty good. Everything else kind of got relocated on site, and we'll be good to go. Back here at the storage, just kind of plugging in both the backhoe and the skid steer behind me, getting everything ready for the next day. I think tomorrow it's supposed to start in the afternoon, which is all right. It gives us a little more time to move and get ready for the storm. So looking forward to filming it and everything like that. So expect another video possibly Wednesday. I'm gonna try to upload what I filmed today on Monday. So if you're watching this, this is exactly what I did today. Now tomorrow is probably going to be, it might even be a Wednesday morning kind of cleanup. So if it is that case, expect around Wednesday night, Thursday morning for honestly what it's going to be, if we do end up getting 50 centimeters, a really incredible winter storm cleanup video. It should be really, really good. And I'm putting a lot more effort into the videos, and I think that you guys will really, really enjoy it. So that being said, I'm just gonna make sure that these got fuel in them, make sure they're all greased up, plug them both in because it is supposed to be cold. And if you can, make sure to subscribe, thumbs up. I appreciate everybody who watches the videos, and we'll see you on the next snowstorm.